Tekwar, a sci-fi detective story franchise whose framework was squeezed out of William Shatner's brain while he was directing the fifth Star Trek movie, which is considered to be the worst Star Trek movie by myself and many others, by the way, which is, on record, supposed to be a mixture of Trek and T.J. Hooker of all things. The plot follows an ex-cop out of cryogenic incarceration turned private eye. He gets into high-level plots involving a cyber drug called Tech, that sends you into a virtual world making you experience your desires. The original novel, released in 1989 from Shatner's framework, was ghostwritten by American writer Ron Goulart, who was originally not credited for his work, and ended up spawning 8 sequels, a comic book series called Tekworld, published by Marvel, a first-person shooter video game, a series of TV movies, and a proper TV series that ran 22 episodes divided in 2 seasons. You gotta say, pretty impressive for something that has never seemed to reach any sort of true widespread recognition, although it seems that all of the supplemental media releases were efforts to make the series catch on instead of being created because the series was popular. I mean, it must have had some level of success for it to spawn 8 sequels, but it's hard to gauge that success when there's no real info about sale numbers. But if there's one theme that surrounds the reception towards the series, it is that of mediocrity. Seems like most people reading the original novels and leaving reviews from the original release to today find it bland, predictable, with most of its ideas lifted from already existing works. Time has not been kind to it, leaving it mostly forgotten today with very little fanfare. So, what brings us to today's video? It's the Marvel comic book series, Tekworld, that ran from September 1992 to August 1994. They actually made trading cards of this shit, man, can you believe it? And they're worthless too. I paid mine $17, and it came with issue 1 of the comic book. I mean, most people that are selling it on eBay are selling them for $15. It's a complete package. I think there's 36 pack in this. There's like autographed cards and things. The only reason I got it because it was extremely cheap. The art looked interesting, and I just love opening cards, so I said, why not? All the cards are based on the art that's inside the comic books. I've read the first 2 issues online. It's not terribly interesting, but hey, the art is nice, and it's early 90s as fuck though. Alright, let's start opening cards. I didn't cut deep enough. There we go. I mean, who the hell back in the day would go to their comic book store and say, yeah, Tekworld, that's what I want cards from. Trading cards of Tekworld, man. And the art on the actual packs is awful compared to the art in the comic book. It's like so basic. There we go. I'll check how many packs of these there are. I thought it was 36, it might be less. No, that's it. It's 18, it's 36 pack. Oh man, check out the inside of the box. That's disgusting. Ugh, what the hell? It was sealed too. I hope the cards aren't like gross damage like that. They are sealed in foil wrappers. Ugh. These are from 1993, by the way. Yeah, they're glossy collectible cards, alright. So basically they're just panels. Oof. They stick to each other. Some of them seem to have a bit of damage in the corners too. Yeah, so basically they're just art from the panels of the comic book. Man, they're all sticky. Old cards. That's awesome. Well, at least they're not, when you unstick them, it doesn't seem to be damaging them. Yeah, they're literally just panels from the comic book. They all have a number for the card and a little text on the back. Like, I don't know if it's because they're old, but I mean, like this one has some damage on the side there. I don't know if it's just because old or just the quality control wasn't great for these cards. Packs are easy to open enough though. Oh yeah, that's his boss, by the way, sax player too. Man. Oh, look at that, that's so freaking funny. I do like the vehicle cards. See, there's a bit of damage to this one as well. And the... Oh. Yeah, there are androids in the series. I guess they just destroyed a bunch of androids. Man, they really stick together. It's like damaging the back a little bit. But there doesn't seem to be damage on the front of the other one. I don't know if... Oh, man. Like... Oh yeah, like this one. See, like it ripped a bunch of, yeah. Their sticking is damaging the cards. Like, I mean, some of these cards are like, what's the point? It seems like just like a random panel, like with nothing big happening in them. I wonder how many cards there are in this set. And they're really stuck together. They seem to be like mostly of later comic books though. Most of the stuff I didn't read yet. I just read the first 2 issues. I don't really recognize. Oh, I've seen this guy though. How many cards are in a pack? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, there's 3, 5. There's 8 cards. Man, see, I missed one. because they're so goddamn stuck together. My God. Yeah, man. Man, this sucks. The cards are all stuck together and it's damaging them. Some of them are fine, but the others are like really. The print on the back stays stuck on the front of the other one. I don't know if I'll show the whole video though, because these aren't terribly interesting to look at. Or pretty much look all the same because it's the same artist and the scenes resemble each other. Yeah, you keep getting destroyed, man. Jesus. Yeah, these are pretty bad, man. I think I'm gonna stop it there. It's really disappointing that the material don't allow them to be in good condition because they all stuck together. Man, that really sucks. I love opening packs, but like this is just like not a good experience because I know like with every card that I pull, the next one that I pull, I know I can hear the freaking artwork being ripped from the back and stuck on the front of the other one, and it sucks. Okay, yeah, so I read up on this problem, and it's a problem that affects a lot of early 90s cards, some mid 90s card packs too. It's due to the glue-like veneer they put on them, and there's nothing much I can really do about it. Some people have tried different methods like freezing the cards, heating it with a heat blow dryer. Seems like using steam from a boiling pot is the best fix, air quote fix, for it. Not too sure about that one. I do have a clothes steamer. I might try that, but man, this sucks. Man, I just wanted to have fun opening cards. Anyway, dumb experiment. Tried it. Not good. So I don't recommend to anyone to buy these, even if they're really cheap. It's just not worth it. So that's gonna be it for now. I might add a little thing if I open the other packs and I pull like a foil or something. It's in good condition, but other than that, most of these are gonna end up in the trash. Anyway, thanks for watching, and bye-bye.